This is insane. I've never used something so pigmented in my life. So not satisfying. Oh. Who broke the law, guys? Halsey broke the law with this pigment. Besides the fact that I just love her. Ugh, another celebrity makeup line. But here's the thing.
Yeah.
Sorry about this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you stick around and maybe watch a couple more. And if you're a returning viewer, click or subscriber. Oh gee, thank you a little bit extra. Today's video I'm super excited about. But before I jump in, if you ever wouldn't hate to see my face again, please subscribe to my channel. It means so much, and over half of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel, as proven by my YouTube analytics. So it just means a lot. So now that you've done that, we are going to review / first impression the new brand called About Face by Halsey. I love Halsey, and yes, I know a lot of people are probably like, oh, another celebrity makeup line. But here's the thing. Here's the thing, okay? Halsey is an amazing artist in general, but she also paints. She's done her own makeup for years, her own red carpet, album covers, everything. So if any celebrity should come out with a makeup brand, it should be her. And she's so, like I said, artistic. This isn't like a generic makeup line, and that's why it intrigued me so much, besides the fact that I just love her. So I just got my package today. Obviously, I'm no one, so I am not on PR, so I bought this by myself, so I couldn't try everything. So I got some eye products and some lip products because that's what I was most excited for, and that's also what I figured you guys would be most excited for, hopefully. I just raised my seat because now we're much better. So I just got my box. Look at the inside, super cute. I like little touches like this, and each item is individually wrapped, which is pretty nice. This is the matte liquid fluid eye paint. I got a duo of this. This is the white shade. This is called White Noise. I like that name. The other one I got is the blue one, which is called Lost Unfound, which I think is the one that is the most exciting, not just to me, but to everyone. And it's just we all know that blue and deep teal. Oh my God. This is my favorite color ever. And then I got a shadow stick. I got the shade Pearly, which is a lime green. Ooh, which I thought would be really cool with the blue. I tried to make a cohesive look with all of this, obviously, as well. I got the lip gloss in just the clear shade so that it could go with anything. Oh, this is cool packaging. You pull it. So not satisfying. Ooh, this is some fun packaging. This is texture. Cool. So light lock lip gloss in the shade Prelude is the clear. Oh, it smells wow. You know what this smells like? Okay, some restaurants have these. It's the mints that you get at the end of the restaurants, at when you're leaving the restaurant, but it's not the generic ones. They're soft and chewy, and I went to an Italian restaurant as a kid all the time, and that's what this smells like, those specific ones. Anyway, that just brought me back. I wanted to get a lip liner as opposed to a matte liquid lipstick because a lot of times I just use lip liner and lip gloss because that's my favorite. So I wanted to try the shade, I don't want to be too boring. I got the shade Clockwork. It's a beautiful chestnutty brown. I'm sorry, but look at that against my skin tone. I feel this is gonna look really nice on my skin tone personally. I'm just gonna go ahead and get into trying out these products. So I'm just gonna go for it. What I want to do is I want to do this blue all over the lid, buff that out, and then put this on the inner corner. I don't know if I'm gonna try White Noise today. I have this in mind for something else, but I will try at least one of them. Obviously, I'm gonna try the blue, and then we'll do a lip. So let's just try this out. I love this packaging, by the way. It's soft matte touch. Do they have a smell? No, no smell. Yeah, no. No smell. Okay. This looks so beautiful. It looks just like the outside color, maybe even a little bit brighter. So I'm just gonna take the applicator and oh wow. Now I'm definitely scared of this staining my eyes. So if it does, I will update you guys in the description bar or when I'm editing the video, depending on when I edit this. So I'm gonna put that much. That might be way too much. I'm gonna take a little blending brush. Oh wow, oh god, this is so pigmented. Oh, I think that was too much, but that's okay. Okay, it's definitely like wet, but I don't think it's drying too quick. Oh wow, okay. I feel like that's blending out. Look at how much pigment is on my brush. I love the color that it blends out to. I'm really taking my time. I'm kind of like stippling right now while it's still a little wet because I don't want to get it too high. Okay. Like, it's not a perfect blend right now, don't get me wrong, but I also definitely put way too much. So I'm just really taking my time. But that color, dude. Oh my effing god. Are you kidding me? This is definitely not drying quickly, which I prefer because it gives you more time to work the product. I'm actually gonna dab this brush off because I think I also just have excess on the brush. Oh my god, this is so insane, but like in a good way. Oh. Who broke the law, guys? Halsey broke the law with this pigment. We troubles. I'm gonna just leave this for a minute and really like kind of let it dry and set. Let me do this on the other eye just so I can get caught up and I can like come up with my next step. So, BRB. I'm back and I just FaceTimed Connor because I was like, this is insane. Someone else needs to see this. So, here's the thing. These are so pigmented and like overall I like the product. Even though this doesn't look amazing right now, I'm gonna really try to fix it. Especially right here. Like my eyes are hooded and it's stuck right here because I'm dumb and I wasn't thinking and I still put too much on this eye. But look at how it blends out into a lighter blue. I've never seen that with like a liquid eyeshadow before. And I tried to just put a little bit of teal eyeshadow on to keep blending it out. But for right now, we're gonna leave it. I know it still looks a little bit crazy. But like first impression, I love this, but you have to use so little. Like when, I'm not kidding, like you know how Hooded Beauty came out with those liquid matte metals things and she's like, they're super pigmented, you only need one dot. No, you need at least a few dots, honestly. This, you literally need one dot. Like, and so I would say this isn't beginner friendly unless you're aware of that. Now, I want to put this on my like inner corner. So let's see how this goes. Let me do a little swatchy. That's what it looks like. Okay. I'm just gonna, I'm also curious how these mix, like if I can layer it. Okay, so I'm bringing it up. I'm putting it over. I'm trying to hide this harsh line too a little bit. Wait a minute, can we look? Oh, wait a minute, I obviously got some on here, but oh my god, wait. Why do these look so pretty mixed together? It's picking up a little bit of the blue, but not much. But I also remember I put some blue eyeshadow down. And this glides on really nicely. It's nice and creamy. Wow, that's so pretty. You just gotta be careful. I can blend it out pretty easily with my finger. Wait, that's so cool. Okay. And I'm actually gonna take it a little bit on the lower lash line too, like right here. So now, what I'm hoping is gonna really help this look too. I use this teal. I stuck my finger in it. What is happening? It's the shade Gaia from the Ultra Eco Goddess palette, which is one of my favorite palettes of all time. So I'm going to take this and I'm gonna take a little bit of just any light brown and I'm just gonna try to blend some of this over the, wow, wait, that actually looks so good. I feel like you can't even really tell on camera, but that actually just blended so nicely. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and go in with some browns on the lower lash line. That already makes this look like much more like a look. So I'm actually gonna take this green liner. I feel like that would tie this look in really well. I was gonna go with brown, but I like this. This is from the Raw Beauty Christie ColourPop collab. So it's just like a deep like forest green liner. I'm not gonna use the blue paint on the lower lash line, especially because I do have eye creases. Like if that were to get on my eye creases, this look is done for. So I'm gonna take one of these brushes, like a flat brush, and some of that blue eyeshadow and just smoke it out Wow, you guys. This is insane. Let me put on some lashes. I wanted to wear a new style of my lashes, which launched today, by the way. Oh, actually, I don't know when you're seeing this. You will be seeing this the week that my new styles have gone up though. So all the info and the link to shop will be down below. I'm doing a week-long sale and all sorts of fun stuff for this entire week. So, and this video is going up this week regardless. So I will link that down below for you. But I really wanted to use Mila, but these are not dramatic enough. So I think I'm gonna go in with an OG pair. I feel like this look just calls for some Fiona. This is my sample packaging, by the way, so. Okay, so lashes have saved this look. I put on my most dramatic pair, which is Fiona. This is still, like, we all know I love grungy, smoky eyes. This is still a little bit deep for me. I do like it. I think when I have lips on, I'll feel a little bit better too. But lashes saved this look. Now, even though this didn't turn out quite how I wanted to, I'm still really impressed and happy with the eye products. Now that, like, knowing what I know now, first impression, going into it again, I'm not scared. Obviously, that was kind of crazy. I've never used something so pigmented in my life. And one thing I like about that too is this product will last you so long. Let me get into the lips now. So we are going to use the Clockwork lip liner and the clear gloss. Let's see how this looks. Ooh, that is pretty. I've been loving lightly, like, overlining my lips, not too much. So I'll just show you what I do. I feel like I have a really full bottom lip and I just want the top lip to match that. So I don't really overline on the bottom. It's more just the top a little bit. Ooh, creamy. That glided right on. Wait, that is so creamy. Wait, I love this color too. Oh my god. Wait a minute. I also didn't put chapstick on beforehand like I usually do, and this is really creamy still and not skipping or anything on my crusty lips because it's cold as... I'm sorry, but you can't tell me that is not the most perfect, like, chestnut brown color for me. Oh my god, okay. Loving that. Let's try the gloss. Oh yeah, we already talked about what this smells like. All right, let's see her in action. Oh. Oh wow, that was not what I expected. It's like very reflective. Okay. I'm not loving the gloss, but I think that's also because I didn't quite realize what it was. This is like a white gold. It actually has like a base color of like white, like a light gold. So it's just not for me. I don't dislike the formula, but I didn't expect it to actually be like opaquely champagne, if that makes sense. Like, this is like for me, but that's just because it's not quite what I thought it was. And it's probably not something that I'll reach for again unless I was going for a color like this. But I wish that it was clear because I want, you know, like, wanted the lip color to show through. It kind of altered the lip color a little bit. But all right, let me gather my final thoughts here. Okay, final thoughts. Eye products, love. 10 out of 10. However, be careful. I do not feel that they are beginner friendly at all. But I think with the right warning, maybe, you know, a beginner can use them. But I really think that these would be much better for like seasoned makeup artists, people who are not scared of color, obviously. So I don't know if these would even appeal to, you know, beginner friendly people. This might already be intimidating just what kind of product it is. But if you went with a lighter color, obviously it's going to be much different. Obviously I went in with like a deep blue, but I do love it. And I'm honestly so excited to use them again. Like this, it's just a really exciting product for me. I also love this eye crayon. I forgot what they're called, but you know what I mean. I love how it blended in with the blue. It looks so pretty. It's actually not too shimmery. Like, it's very pearlescent. Oh, I think the shade of this is pearly too. Yeah. So they're very much like pearlescent as opposed to like glitter and sparkle, but I really like it. And this lip liner, you guys, I need to try more of these lip liners. First impression, this is one of the best lip liners I've ever tried. And then for me, the only kind of flop was the gloss, but it also isn't totally gloss's fault. I didn't quite realize like what it was. So I guess that's my final thoughts. I hope that you enjoyed my kind of review, first impressions of this. I definitely want to purchase more from this brand. If you've tried anything out that I haven't, please let me know, or that I have, please let me know how it worked for you. If you liked it, let me know down below. I want to chat about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you in my next video. Bye guys.